A special garam masala is ready. This recipe is very easy to make. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I'm also gonna share my special biryani masala with you guys. I will share the link in the description box below of my special biryani masala. You can check it out. This garam masala you can use in any kind of Indian curries or in your vegetable pulao or any special pulao. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Please try this recipe out and share your feedback with me. Also, if you like this recipe, give a quick thumbs up to this video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon. For now, bye bye.